From here, everything seems still, peaceful, eternal. But what you're about to witness is a journey that will shatter everything you thought you knew about distance, about time, about the fragile blue marble we call home. We're leaving Earth, and we're not coming back the same. The moon, a memory in milliseconds. Mars, a fleeting red whisper. Watch as our sun, our ancient life-giving star, becomes just another point of light. One among 100 billion. The Milky Way sprawls before us, a cosmic river of light, swirling with the dreams of a billion or possibly trillion worlds. Somewhere in this magnificent spiral, someone might be looking up right now, just as we once did. But we cannot stop, because 60 million light years away, something impossible is happening. This is the space between galaxies. The Great Dark. The cosmic desert. Voids so vast that light itself grows weary crossing them. Out here, there are no stars to guide you. No sun to warm you. Just the faint afterglow of creation itself. The cosmic microwave background. The universe's first light, still echoing through space after 13.8 billion years. Do you feel it? That weight? That's perspective. That's the realization that we are small, and yet we dare to reach across this abyss, to touch the untouchable. Do you see that? Two spirals of light, dancing. This isn't destruction, this is creation, transformation. Two galaxies becoming one. planet, hidden in the chaos, orbiting a young star born from the collision itself, a second-generation sun, enriched with the heavy elements forged in the hearts of previous stellar generations. Life doesn't wait for peace. It doesn't ask permission. It emerges in the margins, in the chaos, in the space between catastrophes. With an average temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, this planet is within the habitable zone of its host star, making liquid water possible to sustain life as we know it. With rings like Saturn's, this planet has twice Earth's mass and size, which means its gravity may be stronger, and consequently, its potential life will be adapted to these conditions, making it very different to what we are used to. Look at this sky. 2 galaxies, spirals of 1 trillion stars, filling the heavens like gods in combat. Nebulae glowing pink and blue where new stars are being born. Tidal streams of light arcing across the darkness like auroras. This is what the universe really looks like when you're standing in the middle of its greatest drama. Standing here on this alien shore, you realize something. We traveled 60 million light years to reach this place. But the real journey wasn't through space. It was through perspective. From Earth, the Antennae Galaxies are a faint smudge in Corvus, the Crow constellation. A footnote in astronomical catalogs. But up close, they're everything. This is the dramatic collision. The Antennae Galaxies are the future of what will happen to the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy in a few billion years. This view is simply breathtaking. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us create more content for you.